is the one you guys been waiting for. This is how to install and activate Melodyne. For those of you guys who don't know what Melodyne is, it's like a auto-tune without the robotics. It's a pitch corrector. And I believe this comes on artists. I believe this comes on professional. Well, I know it comes on professional because I'm using professional now. I don't know about Prime and I don't know about demo. But I do know for sure artists and professional. So what you're first going to do is go to Studio One and go to installation and make sure that it's installed right here. If it's not installed, it won't say installed under status. So once it's installed and it says installed, claim product key, right? And copy. And it's copied. Then X out of that, go to your browse, go to go to effects. That's what the problem was. Okay, type in Melodyne. So make sure this isn't on because it'll show tags. And then first what you're going to want to do is go to track, add a track right there, and then drag Melodyne over to that track. And it's going to show this. Please click on activate to activate Melodyne on this computer, or try the program out. If you do not, okay, so pretty much activate, because you won't be able to use it unless you activate it. So Melodyne has not been activated. That's what's going to show. It's going to open up under the internet, and you enter a serial number. We just copied that thing. Click that. Then it's going to want you to put all this. So you're going to create to enter, yeah, so now it says your serial number has been successfully registered. Now you just need to activate Melodyne on your computer, and then this pops up, and then right there, activate, activation successful. You may now close this window. So I could close this window here. Okay, and if this is there, let me see, just cancel. It's activated. So yeah, let's just test it out real quick. Remove and try to put this on. I should go to a thing, but it didn't pop up, so that's good. It's activated. Dropping content weekly, I ain't stopping. Sean Zill, say my name, run it up, 100K.